Okay, it's Gary Peplow, and I'm going to take Donnie out. Donnie out means big bird. I'm going to take Donnie out for a flight up here at Forest Falls and get some pictures of what it looks like up here. Okay, so right now I'm heading down Mill Creek toward the falls. I won't get the falls because it's too far away, but it is beautiful. You can see here everything is covered in snow, and I knew you knew that already, but it's just so pretty. You can see it here. I'm flying at about 179 feet. Yeah. Oh, no. I'm at 70 feet and I'm about 179 feet away. I'm going to put some glasses on because the clouds are really bright. I need to watch where Daniel is. Yeah, that's much better. Okay. I'm currently at 107 feet. Now the thing is around here, up at the top of that mountain, in fact, is wilderness area, and I can't take off in wilderness area. But right here, it's not wilderness area. So we're basically looking at Forest Falls and the valley of the falls down Mill Creek. Now, as I've discussed before, we are currently flying over the San Andreas Fault. The San Andreas Fault is one of the main faults that goes through the coast of California, and it's responsible for probably most of the seismic activity. It's a transverse fault, and since it moves the way it does, it was able to rip these mountains and change their direction. Now I'm going to stop here and take a global picture of the area. Yeah, so he's right there. He's currently taking pictures in all the different areas that he can, and then he's going to stitch them together in one big picture. It's a little distorted, but it's pretty amazing how it makes the area look. So my next picture, when it's done loading, I'm going to get a 180 of the valley all the way across. Okay, we're currently at 83%. I'm about 400 feet away. Right up there. Now the rule is I have to be able to stay in line of sight. So I'm going to take Donnie out and I'm going to fly him down the valley until he's just about out of sight because I can't lose sight of him. And we're going to take him up. There we go. We're going to move up a little bit. We're going to point down so we can see the whole snow valley. We're going up. We're currently at 214 feet. I am at 68%. Okay, yeah, I see him. All right, now we're going to continue on. Now, what's really cool about this at Forest Falls is this weather. It really is dependent on sort of a channeling effect. It's a box canyon. And since it's a box canyon, what happens is the air is funneled up from the Inland Empire and goes straight up through here. And of course, all that is dependent on the cold, moist air from the Pacific then hitting this cold air of the mountains It's called orographic precipitation. Now I'm going to make it change my shot. I'm going to come up the valley right there. I'm going to bring them right over us. Now we have some mountains in front. I'm going to go this way so you can also see where the mountains are coming in. Currently at 64 degrees. I mean, not degrees, but percent. I'm currently at 250 feet, and Danielle's coming back. It's about 200 feet away. Right up the canyon, and if you chase that canyon up there, you will see more of the San Andreas Fault. Now I'm going to look up this mountain here. Give you a side panel coming back to me. Okay, so now I'm going to go sideways to it. Okay, I'm at 251. I'm going to stop here. I'm going to do a global again. Okay, no, but again, it's taking pictures everywhere. I'm going to put them together and you get to see them here. So we're almost right over the parking lot. Okay, I'm currently at 53%. Now I'm not going to go up any higher because I have to stay below the clouds. That's one of the rules of the air. But we have a larger thing here. In fact, I'm going to take another spin down this way. And then after that, I'm going to bring it down and get some close-up to these trees that are so pretty. Okay, I'm going to bring me out of the clouds because I don't want to break any rules. But you can see how beautiful it is here. That's Forest Falls down there. That's the Valley of Falls Road. There's a Mill Creek. And I'm at 275 right now, but you can see the area I'm at. I'm at 46%, so I'm almost time to bring him in. I'm gonna move a little faster here just to get him down to me. And then if you look down there, you see the parking lot, and I'm right there in the parking lot. All right, so I'm gonna bring him back. He's 400 feet away from me. Yep, he sees me right now. The other rule is you can't fly over any cars, moving cars. But there's no moving cars right now. There we go.